Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. This is me, Alicia. If this is your first time here, and if not, welcome back. All right, we're back with a hair video. I hear you guys. I hear you. You're yelling, and I apologize because I have not been listening, but I'm listening now. So we are back with a hair video. Do you guys know that I have been wearing this wig for quite a while, and you're like, sis, drop the tutorial. I am going to drop it when I get a new one. I have done so many things to the one that I already have that I don't want you to be like, I just did what you did and it does not come looking like what yours looks like. So I ordered another one, so we're going to eventually get into that one. But in the meantime, we're going to get into the one that I have right now, which is still by Outre. This is the Amani wig. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. All right, so we have a new piece. You overlook my hair. Oh, but let's get into the hair. So I just have some leave out. I blow dried it a couple days ago and had just been leaving it alone. And then I have this like wig gripper up here. I don't know how many combs are in this. And then I just have my hair in 1, 2, 5 twists in the back. So this is the hair. This is the Outre or Outre, whatever. And the style Amani in color 1. I got it from Amazon. And it is a lace front, but the reason why I have my hair out is because I plan on putting it behind my hairline. That's what the girls on TikTok said is all the rave. So we're gonna take her out and see what she looks like. I am getting my hair done while I am in New York, but I think I kind of want to take this with me to Fashion Week in case I want to switch it up. You guys know my go-to will always be, this is going to be my baby. I don't even know what this is, but the one I've been wearing the whole time. I'm taking that one. I actually got a new one to take with me, a nice and fresh one. So let's take all this out of the box. Lace, I don't know about you guys, but lace is very intimidating for me, and that's why I really gravitate towards half wig, so I don't have to worry about that. But just off the top, she looks really natural. I literally just got this out. I haven't combed it or anything. Now, of course, I am going to comb it, but this is what the front looks like. Very, very intimidating. But it gave you instructions. It said brush back hair and baby hair away from the edge of the wig. Gonna bring you guys down just a little bit. Okay. Brush this in the back. And then start from one side, cut the excess lace off. That's a lot to ask. Okay. So I have my scissors. I'm just going to cut. And I think you do end up cutting some of the hair, but because this is also going behind my hairline, I think I'll be okay. And that's the reason why I wanted to get this one. I have another one coming too. That'll be in another video if you guys want it. I'm getting a lot of requests for hair content, which I understand. I started off doing hair content and this kind of left you girls in the dust. So I'm just trying to bring some of that back to the channel. I definitely am cutting off a lot of hair. I hope it doesn't matter. All right, so this is, I guess I didn't cut off that much. That's how much lace I cut off. And this is what it looks like now. Some baby hairs, although you're not gonna be able to see it because it is going to be behind my hair. In terms of combs, I kind of don't like that, but we have 1 in the back and then 2 on the sides. That seems to be the going thing for the Outre wigs. I wish they had something, I guess they can't do it here because this is a lace front, but even on the half wig, there's nothing up here, and so that's why I have this right here. This like wig holder. Oh, that's what I am gonna do. I am going to go ahead and cleanse it first. I probably will dip this in some conditioner later, but for now I just want to see what it looks like. I'm gonna go in with dry shampoo. Doesn't really matter which one. Not Your Mother's and Way have been my favorite, but they stopped making the Way, like the spray. It's now in a foam. I don't like it, so I'm just gonna use this. Remind me to get some more dry shampoo. All right, I'm just gonna grab this bronzer from MAC. This is in the Rich Rosy, and then a brush. They have spray for this, but I thought I had some. I feel like that's working just fine. Okay, now we have it a little darker. Let's try this again. I think I do want to still do a side part. I'm definitely gonna have to flat iron my hair just a little bit, because you can clearly tell like that hair and then the wig. There's like so much. I think I'm gonna have to take more lace off. But this is what she looks like, fresh on, no combing. And some people will look at this and they'll be like, ew, you haven't finished it yet. First thing that I'm gonna do is comb this hair out. So I'm gonna take either a denim brush, or I have this Curl Days brush, and I'm just going to comb out this hair. You guys know I like big hair, I like messy hair, so we're gonna make this hair as messy as we can possibly get it for day one. I normally will do this before I even put the wig on, but because I wanted to show you guys, don't give up when you put, a lot of people wait until they put the wig on and be like, ugh, I don't like it. It's because you gotta get it messy. Gonna take an even finer, that thin comb, and I'm gonna comb it out. You're just gonna get it really messy. Unless you don't like big hair, you can leave it as is, but honey, I need my hair big. Heavy part, like a heavy side. I think I probably should take some more hair off because my this net is like wrinkling up, so you can clearly tell. Like back here, you can't tell, but if I ever get like this, can you guys tell? This is what she's looking like, fresh. We have put a little bit of dry shampoo on her. We have combed her out. I don't know if I'm going to cut her. If I do cut her, it'll just be like down here. Yeah, you see how there's like that extra right here? I might get rid of that. All right, let me plug up the flat iron and just give my hair a little bit of a bump. Okay, I do think I am going to cut these like this down here. It's a little weird. It hits a little weird. It's kind of like it's not with the other ones, and it's still synthetic, so just regular scissors. I probably should get kitchen like hair shears, but we haven't reached that point in my hair journey where I want to invest that kind of money in some shears. So in the meantime, see, I just think it looks so much better. Definitely when I do this and it's still not as big and I can see the hair kind of like clumping back together like how it was in the wig cap, definitely gonna want to put some more dry shampoo on it. I'll probably do a couple of more rounds of dry shampoo. I just really want it to get like bigger, but I love it so far. It's definitely giving, is it a sew-in or is it a blowout? Let me show you guys the back. Now, what I will have to say is that with my curly hair, I don't have to blow dry my hair before I braid it down because it's already big. For this hair, I am going to have to, when I shampoo my hair, I'm gonna have to like blow dry it, and then I'm gonna have to braid it down just to get my scalp, the base under here as flat as possible so that it doesn't look like lumpy in the back. And I really just want it messy at the root. That way you can't really see a lot of the lace. So that's where I'm going to target my dry shampoo my next go round, is more so at the roots. All right, so guys, this is the wig. I will have to say, first impressions, I'm going to give it an 8.6752. Like an 8.6752. I love it. The lace front is definitely intimidating for me, and I'll probably look into some more TikTok videos to see how they were able to melt the lace even more. Maybe I probably do need to do dark foundation because you can't see it from here, but if I go like this, you can definitely see it, and I don't want to be that person. Even if that means I have to bring some of my hair like back in there with it. But it blended with my hair really nicely. I only had to do one pass, and I have my flat iron on 338. I normally don't go over 350 when I'm curling my hair, period. But this is what she looks like. This is the front, side, the back. Did I cut all those in the back? Just making sure. Yeah, the back, this side, and then the front. She's cute. I will link it below for you guys because I know that you're interested. I like it. Now, the more that I see it, it's definitely giving boardroom. Like, I'm cutting checks, okay? She is cutting the checks. Anyway, I'll make sure that I'll link you guys. If you have made it this far in the video, you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'm gonna catch you guys at my next either Sunday or Thursday because I don't know when this is gonna go out. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you later.